Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on Binance account on mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up the Binance app that you have installed on your phone. Make sure it's an updated one. Once you've opened up your app, go ahead, tap on this option of login right there given in the yellow box. Then go ahead, enter the email that you created your account with and the password that you created as well. Once you added that, this login button will light up. Go ahead, tap on the login, you are good to go. But in case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password. Go ahead, enter the email again of your account and then tap on submit. Once you've done that, you will receive an email with a code which you need to reset your password. Go ahead, open up your email, copy the code over here, paste it. Once you verify your email, you will be able to reset your password, and that is it. You will be able to sign in again normally like that, and you're good to go. That is it for this video. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below and we'll get back to you. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.